Hi, I'm Carl from DFI, here to show you how simple and quick a Diamon-Fusion application is. The Diamon-Fusion protective coating comes in a two-set 500 milliliter bottles. As you can see, we color code the bottle: blue towel, blue top for Diamon-Fusion number 2, red towel, red top. This way it's color coded and you won't make a mistake or get confused. These bottles will do about 1,500 square feet rather easily. So 1 mil does about 3 square feet. We should be able to cover this 10 square foot glass here in about 3 to 4 sprays. So to show you the results of Diamon-Fusion, we take this sample glass right here. This is the untreated, unprotected side of the glass, and I spray water on it. You'll see the water just lies flat. That's hydrophilic, meaning water loving. And that's why glass gets water damaged. It's hard to clean and gets scratched easy as opposed to when it's diamond fused. On this side, you'll see when I spray the water on it, the water just beads up and wants nothing to do with this glass. That's highly water repellent, or as we like to say, hydrophobic. And when I tip it, it just runs dry. That's the results we're going to get on this glass here. Now, before you begin, you want to make sure your glass is clean. We recommend Sprayway, for example, but virtually any glass cleaner, just as long as there's not debris, dust, oils, and so forth on the glass, so we get a good coating. So with Diamon-Fusion, a little bit goes a long way. Like I said, we should do this 4 sprays easy. So what I want to do is spray the glass on this side of the glass. I kind of split it in half, and immediately I start to spread it around, back and forth, up and down, back and forth, and around circles, overlapping circles. Make sure to get the edges and the corners. And that side is, for all intents and purposes, done. This side, here we go. Back and forth, up and down, and overlapping circular motions. Now, there is no cure time, either between the steps or when you're done. So we can immediately go on to Diamon-Fusion number 2. 2 sprays, same thing, back and forth, or east and west, north and south, whatever helps you remember it. Overlapping circular motions, getting all the edges. 2 sprays over here, good to go. Back and forth, up and down, circular motions. For all intents, that glass is coated. Much the way we showed you over here, I'm going to spray some water on this glass right here. You can see how it beads up. We're known for a high contact angle. That's the curvature of the water, the bead of water to the glass itself. We're also known for our durability, so we last a long time. If I were to tip this glass, that water would just go running right off. That's the slide angle. Now, once you're done, if you see any little haze or excess oil, excess silicone oil, I should say, on the glass, we recommend you use isopropyl alcohol, for example. It cuts the oil off, you just buff it out, and you're done. That glass is ready to be wrapped up. So that's your Diamon-Fusion application. Thanks for joining us. I'm Carl from DFI.